In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Expedia trip to Google Calendar. Staying organized while traveling can make a huge difference in how smooth and enjoyable your trip feels. By adding your Expedia itinerary to your Google Calendar, you can keep all your important details in one place, receive timely reminders, and easily access your plans from any device. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to do this in a simple and efficient way. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Expedia website. Once the page loads, sign in to your account so you can access your bookings. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first before continuing. After logging in, locate the section where your trips are stored. This area typically contains your upcoming reservations, past bookings, and any travel plans you've made through the platform. From there, find the specific trip you want to add to your calendar. Open the details so you can clearly see your itinerary, including dates, times, and other important information. Having this page ready will make the next steps much easier. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to Google Calendar. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new event. This is usually displayed as a button on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to begin setting up your travel entry. At this point, you'll start entering the details of your trip. Carefully transfer the information from your Expedia itinerary into the calendar event. This may include your departure and arrival times, hotel check-in and check-out details, and any planned activities. Copying and pasting directly from your itinerary can help ensure accuracy and save time. You can also use the description field to include extra notes, such as booking references or special instructions related to your trip. Adding this information can be helpful if you need quick access to important details while you're on the go. Before saving, take a moment to set reminders for key parts of your trip. This could include notifications for when to leave for the airport or when an activity is about to begin. Once everything looks correct, save the event to your calendar. And just like that, your travel plans are now organized and easy to access anytime you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.